Hi guys, I'm here today with Daniel from Asheville, shout out Asheville, and we're gonna rate 10 TikTok products. We don't know what they are, but we're gonna pull them up each time, have a look, and we're gonna see what we think of them. And we're gonna rate them as
serious
or
shook.
All right, let's do it.
When I saw the size of it originally, I thought maybe it's a lava lamp, but it's clearly not because it's not
For
wide
cars.
enough. I mean, like you can have lava lamps in cars, okay.
I know what this is. This to me is they put this to stop the light, stop for kids, or just go on your head.
I mean,
Is this, you know what this is for? When you're at a car show, yeah, to not get sun on your face.
as opposed to a baseball cap.
But we are tropical people, so we tan very well.
Yeah, I mean, the quality of this strap, it doesn't feel uncomfortable as of yet. However, after a couple of hours, I can see.
Yeah, I can feel it. I can feel the pressure on my head.
I'm not sure that this is what I would use if I was trying to shade myself from the sun. In fact, I'm quite sure I wouldn't use this. Build quality, see this? It was a bit flimsy to try and put it together. I can see how somebody else would like this if they brought themselves out a deck chair and they were like plane spotting or train spotting or something like that.
Rolls Royces have umbrellas in the doors. If you don't have a Rolls Royce, this could be the equivalent of having a Rolls Royce. You've got your hat umbrella. Listen, keep the rain off your head as well. I think it's quite cool. I think it's nice colours. How much is this thing?
£6.29.
It's not bad.
I think if the two of us were in these, we'd look like Dumb and Dumber.
I like it.
I'm not so sure.
No? Okay, so we're doing a rate. Is it a shook or?
Do you know, for me, if this is going to keep me out of the rain, does it cover my shoulders as well?
I think nothing covers your shoulders. Even the big, even an Asheville umbrella or a Yiannimize live event umbrella don't cover your shoulders. Just about covers your head.
I mean, it'd come in handy if I didn't have a trim.
I like it. This is serious.
I'm going to go with shook.
Elderly driver, please be patient, thank you. I hate these things. I hate these, I hate the baby on board. I hate all of these idiot things. What are you supposed to do when you see one? Oh, they've got a baby on board. I'm gonna drive really carefully. You're supposed to be driving carefully anyway.
I like it. I like it. I think that if somebody is driving really slow in front of you, it helps to have the additional information.
Rather than horning up and giving them a heart attack.
Well, I wouldn't do that anyway, but I think it helps to have the additional information.
The only one I think I like, and elderly cool, I like the fact that you've got a black box on board. So if you're like black box on board, can't go any faster, I like that. Because listen, when you're doing 30 mile an hour, people don't do 30 mile an hour. And they're like, oh my God, speed up, speed up. But if you've got a black box on, they're telling you, listen, I've got a black box, I can't go any faster, I'm sorry. Then you're like, oh, okay, I feel sorry for him.
I'm gonna go with serious. I like it.
I'm gonna go serious for the elderly one and the black box, but shook for the baby on board.
Women and children, get out the way when Yanni's coming.
Babes, I don't get it. You've got a baby on board, so what? What? The baby might be crying. I don't get it. It doesn't make any sense. Elderly one, okay, I get it.
This is a spoiler. Now, I don't have the largest car in the world, but I can't see how this would fit. This looks like it would fit on a model car. Or even a model train set, maybe make the train go faster.
On my phone.
Yes, and then it'd be challenging to put your phone in your pocket afterwards.
Hello. Car mini spoiler wing, one piece compact, universal car modifier. But who would put this on their car? You say it's staying on anyway. What double sided is this? It's 3M. A spoiler on top of a spoiler. It's definitely not serious.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go with shook.
Same, shook. Okay. If you're Homer Simpson, this is perfect for you.
Straight away, he is gonna say shook because he would never let anyone get in his car with food or a drink. No, bro, you gotta do that outside. So
Water's fine. And I don't like crisps, they smell. Yes, I suppose it works for certain cars. Listen, in the Lambo, you gotta pay like stupid amounts of money to have a cup holder. In Bad Boys, they didn't have a cup holder, did they?
$80,000 for this car and you ain't got no damn cup holder?
if one of those chips fall down and you try and get it, you get this. I mean, if they bring back Mega Max, I'm thinking Mega Max might be too heavy. Oh. No, it didn't break,
£8.92. Universal car cup holder, tray, multi-purpose car beverage holder, flexible, adjustable car phone holder, car interior accessories. Hey, that's a mouthful, isn't it? That goes in there, you nutter. You put it on the top. It's actually alright, isn't it? To be fair, yeah, you know something, if you go to McDonald's, this would actually be handy to like put, you know, when you put your stuff, you put it here, you put it on the dashboard. You could actually put it here, eat your food. I wouldn't want to drive with it, but it's like having like a little tray. It's actually better than what I thought it was. So I'm gonna say serious. Ah, little bin.
And we've got bin liners. I mean, oh wait, hold on. Aha.
I suppose it's cool for if you're an Uber driver or a taxi driver.
Oh yeah, that could be a use.
These things I would not put in my car. Okay, it does work.
I mean, I can see if you chauffeur people or if you're a taxi driver.
Don't get caught either.
Or a taxi driver, yeah, I can see. I think that you're kind of encouraging people to leave things in your car, which they wouldn't leave in the car, they would take with them.
And then if they see a bin, they think, okay, well, they can eat or they can do whatever they want in there.
Next thing you know, you've got chewing gum in there and all sorts.
Yeah, and then you've got to clean it out as well. Nah, this don't go in this car anyway. Might go in another car, but not this one.
I mean, I can see it fits a purpose, but it wouldn't work for me. So I'm gonna say shook. Bruv, these things ain't going in man's whip.
Starlight roofing, yeah? Oh, all right. Oh, this is sick. Oh, that's sick. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, I like that. It's cheap, £2.99. USB sky lamp, one-piece interior car lights, car LED strip light, USB car roof, starry skylight, starry day. Romantic atmosphere lamp, romantic. You can be over there with the girl, be like, 1 second, darling, turn the lights off, put a little starlight. But we can go outside and look at the stars. Yes, but in the car, we're warm.
Catch a falling star and put it in your pocket. Save it for a rainy day.
Look at that. That's actually really cool.
Let's put it somewhere where it would be.
There you go. I think it's quite cool.
What, the fact that you have to put it where you're going to be sitting?
No, I'll put it there then, show your face. Look.
Isn't that your panoramic roof?
Yeah. I always have it shut anyway. I like it. I think this is really good. I think it's really cool. I think for the money, it's mad cool to just have it in your car, and I think it just gives it a nice effect.
I think it's cool. It wouldn't work in my car, but I can see how somebody would like it.
I like it.
When I had my first car, my Mark III Golf on an M-Reg, I think that this is the sort of when I had the stainless steel pedals and the go faster line because I thought it would make the car go faster. I can see that. That could be cool.
Yeah, I like it. Serious.
It's playful. I'm gonna give it a serious.
Serious.
Tyre valve stem cap. I mean, it has a place.
I don't know about green. I don't know if they do other colours.
I assume, like, you know when you were young and on the Kellogg's Frosties, you got the Tony the Tiger and the reflector went round so it looked like the whole time your wheel had a light.
Oh my God, you put them in the spokes.
Yeah.
You put them in the spoke and you put loads of them on.
Maybe if you put this on, it looks like the entire time there's a colour going round at night.
I think to me it's more for bikes than for wheels.
Yeah, that could work.
But I think it would be cool though, you know, to sit like, so it looks like a...
For 79p, you'd give it the time of day.
Serious. Universal dust cleaner. Ugh.
What's this, Play-Doh?
Slime. So I assume you get this and you can put it on.
Does it smell nice?
Yeah, lemon. It smells like, you know, you put in the water when you're mopping the floor.
I'm gonna say, when I see you with that, I'm gonna say shook, because that looks like you just sneezed and caught it in your hand.
Actually, it's alright, isn't it? Oh man, it smudges it on the. Don't put it on the. Don't put it on the glass. Wearing my white hoodie. It does work if you don't use it on glass. It's not for glass. Yeah, it's alright actually. When you get things in like little areas that you can't get in there, look like there, it's come up really clean. Let's got everything out. Yeah, nah, serious. Serious. So this is a car exterior accessories car exhaust pipe sounder. So obviously it'll be the exhaust blowing into it to give it some sound. You right there?
No.
And what's the build quality like?
I mean, this looks like stainless steel. I don't think it's something that you would need on any of your cars to make it sound louder.
And you run diesels, so...
I mean, the build quality looks fine to me. I think that we need to put it on your Urus to see if it makes a difference.
I think the Urus would drown this out. People put these on like Corsas and Renaults to make them sound like they've got like a turbo or like a dump valve or like something. I can't see...
Dump valve? Is that still a thing? Is that still a thing?
It's turbo. Okay. It's like you're changing gear.
Yeah.
And this is like between £2 and £3.
I mean, it's cheap. It's like the budgie. Cheap.
I can't see how good it's going to be for £2-3.
I mean, the proof is in the pudding. We'll have to try it.
Really got me doing this donkey business, sir.
Tell me when.
When?
Anything?
That's it. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, stop. Turn it off. Stop. Well, as they say, the proof is in the pudding.
No proof, no pudding.
As they say, the proof is in the pudding, and that is most definitely shook.
Those are like little cup holders, little things to put.
Oh, wow. I'm going to say shook straight away, because if you put a sauce in this, in the distance from that nugget, getting from that sauce to your mouth, that area of danger just here, you're likely to drop barbecue sauce on yourself, and you wouldn't do it while you were driving. So if you weren't driving, you would have the barbecue sauce closer to you anyway.
Or ketchup. Other sauces are available.
Okay, fine.
Don't think we're sponsoring barbecue sauce.
Okay, yeah. I'm gonna say shook because
Yeah, I'm not about eating and stuff in the car. I'm not having that.
He's very protective of his cars.
Yes.
So,
even though your car looks like it's been rally driving, it's a workhorse. I go on site, of course.
Therefore, I don't have to explain why it's so dirty. He did it for me. And you believe we agree this is shook. Must you keep throwing them over my side?
Yes.
God, you've thrown all of them to me. Why can't you throw them that
I've
way?
got a couple over here. So that is 10 unusual car accessories from TikTok that we'll probably never use in our lives. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to the Yiannimize channel, the Yanni channel, the Asheville channel, and the new Daniel channel. It's 94.
It's called Daniel Asheville. Can't you get it f***ing right? One thing you had to do, you couldn't even get that right. It's my f***ing name.